Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to your one and only favorite crypto jet. Now today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and do sort of a market rundown of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two big bad boys in the market. So let's get right into it. First of all, we're going to cover the Bitcoin dominance, which is at 41.3% at this moment. Ethereum sitting at about 20%. So what this means is that the market cap of Bitcoin compared to the total market cap is 41%. By total, I mean total cryptocurrency market cap. So it actually went down by probably like 40 billion since yesterday. So it's a little dip in the market, but it doesn't really mean anything too significant. Now let's get into the chart. And as always, please leave a like, support the channel, subscribe down there because I really put a lot of effort and I really like making these videos and I hope you like them as well. So right now we can see the chart of Bitcoin. We can see the two main zones at 30K and 50K, and the two mid zones that I like to call them, just somewhere in between. So what's the point of this Fibonacci retracement tool right here? Well, quite simply, I do expect a retracement of Bitcoin into one of these zones before we continue for one last push towards the previous all-time high level, right? So it could be that, it could be something like this, and a retracement, and obviously, that's what I would be expecting. I'm not sure how price will react to this 40K, to the 50K mark. It could very well be pushed towards the downside and actually do what I said it would do. So something like this, and then a movement down into this area, after which we can see for example, a reversal pattern, which is a head and shoulders, for example, and then a series of higher highs and higher lows, breaking through the 50K mark and then continuing upwards. Now, on the other hand, we could just simply continue upwards right now, retest the zone and move for a potential new all-time high. But I strongly believe that Bitcoin will not really exceed this price by too much in the future, because as a project, it's pretty bland, right? It's pretty slow. It has way less utility than all of these other DeFi projects, for example, in the market, and basically you would want to invest your money elsewhere if you want to, have some bigger returns. Now, looking at the chart right now, it's definitely bullish, but slowing down in momentum, which means that we did have this uptrend moving pretty nicely, and we've kind of broken out of it, but still holding ground around the 50K level. So buyers and sellers sentiment around this point will indicate how the price will move from that point. If we move on to the top, we're moving more bullish. If we stay at the bottom, we're going to move a little bit more bearish. And keep in mind that since Bitcoin is still the most dominant cryptocurrency, a lot of these cryptos will follow. So I like to use Bitcoin as a sort of chart. So as a, how do I say this, example of how the whole market is moving. So if Bitcoin goes down into the 35K level, obviously the other altcoins, which you can maybe see on this list, will also probably go into a short-term correction before continuing to the upside. Thank you all for joining in for another video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.